Around 1,000 people took to the streets in Nalagarh, Himachal Pradesh on March 23, 2026. They demanded action against pharmaceutical firm Kinvan Private Limited, accusing it of polluting their air, water and disrupting daily life. The company operates India's first fermentation-based active pharmaceutical ingredient unit. It was virtually inaugurated in Nalagarh's industrial area by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2024, and it was hailed as a major step towards reducing India's dependence on China for pharmaceutical raw materials. So what went wrong? Before we go further, here are some other important stories from this week. Warmer winters and erratic rainfall are disrupting farming cycles across Uttarakhand's hill districts. Migratory freshwater fish populations across the world have declined by nearly 81% since the 1970s. Earth's energy imbalance has reached a 65-year high, signaling accelerating global warming. To know more about these stories, visit our website downtoearth.org.in and subscribe to our channel Down to Earth.
किनविन कंपनी के कारण सारे लोग कितने दुखी हैं ये आपको आज की जन आक्रोश रैली से समझ में आ रहा होगा।
यहाँ पर जो उसकी स्मेल है, किनविन की जो प्रदूषण है, और बहुत प्रदूषण यहाँ पर फैल रहा है।
आज हालात ऐसे हैं कि हम अपने घर की खिड़की तक नहीं खोल सकते। हमारे बच्चे आज मजबूर हैं कि घर से बाहर निकल के खेल भी नहीं पाते।
For residents living near the facility, what was inaugurated as a national milestone has become a source of daily hardship. To understand why, let's look at how the plant operates. An API unit manufactures the biologically active component of a drug, the part responsible for its intended medical effect. A fermentation API unit uses microbial fermentation for this process, culturing microorganisms to generate pharmaceutical compounds. The plant in Nalagarh spans over 50 acres and is stated to house 8 fermenters of 250 kiloliters each. Locals report a persistent foul smell emanating from the facility, spreading across 4 to 5 kilometers and making it difficult to breathe. They also allege that wastewater from the plant has contaminated groundwater and that fish have been found dead in a nearby river. Their concerns extend beyond pollution. In a memorandum submitted to the state's Deputy Chief Minister, protesters highlighted the plant's proximity to a river system that supports at least 16 government drinking water and irrigation schemes serving Nalagarh and surrounding villages. They have also questioned whether the facility is operating within its permitted daily water usage of 6.71 kiloliters given the scale of its operations.
हमारे अगर पानी का वो देख लो तो पानी जो है धीरे धीरे खत्म हो रहा है और पानी के लोगों के बोर सूख रहे हैं। अभी तो गर्मियां आई नहीं है, उससे पहले ये सब हो रहा है।
Protesters are calling for an immediate audit of the company's water use and a comprehensive review of water management in the region by the Jal Shakti Department. Sub-Divisional Magistrate Narendra Ahluwalia stated after the protest that he would urgently look into these concerns.
मैं भी ज़रूर पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड के अधिकारियों को ये कहूँगा कि इसमें जो भी कंप्लाइंसेस हैं एक्चुअली जो इनको जिस परमिशंस के अंतर्गत इनको ये परमिशंस मिली हुई है फैक्ट्री चलाने की, जो इनको एनवायरनमेंट इन्होंने कंप्लाइंसेस अचीव करने हैं ताकि वो उनसे करवाए जाएं। अगर वो नहीं कर रहे तो फिर उनसे सख्त कार्रवाई की जाए।
The protesters warned that they will escalate these protests if their concerns go unaddressed. They have stated that they are not opposed to development, but it must not come at the cost of their fundamental right to life. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, please comment below.